Hello, my name is Dylan Buffard. I'm in the Wednesday section of Lab 57, and this is the Filtration Lab calibration. So first, the two chemicals we're working with today are CaCl2 and NaCO3. The chemical reaction for this is CaCl2 aqueous plus Na2CO3 aqueous going to CaCO3 solid to 2NaCl aqueous. Now first we have to measure out 10 milliliters of each solution into the 25 and 10 milliliter. After adding 50 milliliters of water to each of the solutions in a 2.1 grams of Na2CO3 and 2.2 grams into CaCl2. Now measuring out into the beakers or the measuring cylinders to the 10 milliliter. That's a little too much, so I will pour a little. I'll use a dropper and move some back over into the solution. And now we have 10 milliliters of this, and we'll use a measuring cup. Move it into there. And then we will take the NaCO3 solution that we made, and we will pour it into a measuring cylinder. To the 10 milliliter mark. That's good. And we will add it to a different measuring cup. And then using a clean 50 milliliter, we'll then combine the two and then transfer it into the filtration funnel and the 100 milliliter measuring. But first we have to set up a filtration paper. So by folding it like so from a circle, we fold it in half, and then we fold it in half again, and then we rip off a corner like so from the corner, and then we will open it up by taking these pockets, getting our fingers in there, and making a cone. It's hard to do this one-handed, but we make a cone. And the reason we rip off a piece is so that it gets a better seal inside of the funnel once it is in there. And then we would add our water to the filtration to set it in to the funnel. But take my water, two-handed operation, of course. And I am just adding water to the edges of the filtration funnel so that it sticks. Or if I can show this, just adding water to the edges so that it sticks as good as possible. And since I am running low on water, that will be good enough for me. And then we'll take our solutions and pour them into a clean 10 milliliter like so. And then we will add the other solution, and we'll see that it turns from a clear solution to a murkier solution, kind of milky. And then we'll just do this. So right now we have 20 milliliters of our combined solution, and then we will pour this into the filtration funnel like so, very slowly. And we will wait for about 20 to 30 minutes for all of the liquid in there to drip through the funnel and filter out the aqueous solution from the solid solution that will be collected in the filtration funnel in the final product. It's hard to see it, but it is down in there. And the mass of this was determined after weighing the dry filtration funnel onto our scale. And we will take the dry product and we'll put it on the scale and record the mass on our lab notebook. Now over here, I have two of the liquids, or two of the solutions that we previously looked at. One in a tube and one on the outside. And if we flip it over like so, and shake it around a bit, we will see that in there it is the murky solution that we previously experienced when combining them in the mixing cup. So yeah, the filtration lab